Okay, in this tutorial we are going to see two really cool tools. The first one is subs, which basically we use to substitute some number in an expression, and then we have similar to this called anonymous operator. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, clear off all these screens and let's just create a file called I don't know, anonymous. Okay, should I create a file? I don't need that file, I guess. Okay, so anonymous operator, how do we write that? Let's just say you want you have an expression, a quadratic expression. Let me write that f of x. I'll just say f, give it a name f. X maybe some cubic, x cube, maybe minus 5x, 5 times x plus 6 maybe. So this is your cubic expression. What if you want to calculate, let's just say f of 2. Let's just say you want to calculate f of 2. You cannot just write those two single lines, and it's not like MATLAB is going to understand what you want to calculate. Let's just run and let me show you what it happens. So you see it gives you error. So to tell MATLAB that this f is basically a function of x, what you have to do is you have to use anonymous operator, which is @ and here you need to type the variable in which your function is created. So you see my f is function of x, so this is how you would write basically your fx. And then if you write f of 2, it will understand what you mean. So you see it does. So that's what f of 2 must be. Okay, so what if you want you have a function which varies in maybe which varies with 2 or 3 variables. Let me show you. You can use anonymous function, of course, anonymous operator, of course. Let's just say we have x multiplied y squared minus 5 times x and maybe minus 7. Well, in this case you have to tell MATLAB that my function is created in terms of x and y. So those are the two variables. You have to mention them in order, x comma y. That's how MATLAB is going to know that the function varies with two variables. And then to calculate a value of this function at, let's just say, the value of x1 and the value of y should be 5. This is how you would write. You cannot write 1 5 and expect MATLAB to give you the function output at y equal to 1 and x equal to 5. That won't happen. So the first value has to be of x and then second for y. So you see, this returns me 13. That must be true. I'm not going to calculate, but yeah, I believe in MATLAB. Okay, let me show you how subs command works. It's kind of similar to this anonymous operator. So you would write subs and then whatever is your expression here, and then let's say my expression is I don't know, maybe, yep, let's just copy paste this one. This is my expression. What I want to do is I want to replace x by 7. So this is how you can do it. You can write just subs, the expression, and then in that expression, which variable do you want to replace? X I want to replace. Okay, replace with what? By 7. So the value of x now will be 7 in this expression. Let me show you how that works. Okay, oh yeah, MATLAB does not recognize what is x, so you have to tell MATLAB that x is just, it's a symbol, that's it. So that you can do by typing sims and then x, and then MATLAB will, you see, it creates some data type called sim and it stores x in it. Now MATLAB knows what I mean when I say x. Okay, now I should be able to run. Perfect, it works. So you see, that's how subs basically works. But yeah, before using subs and the variables that you have in your expression, you have to tell MATLAB that these are the symbols that I'm gonna use in my expression. Okay, let's just check whether x equal to 7 gives me the same value or not. I'm gonna type x f7, delete all this, clear workspace, clear screen, and run. Wow, nice. So you can see you can use subs or you can use anonymous operator. Basically, I like anonymous operator. I think it gives you more flexibility than since